Ow! Hit me in the nipple.
I squeezed his boob as hard as I could. So he wouldn't get it. I got you back. Are you checking if it's okay? Let's see if it's okay. Is it red?
God damn it. I just throw a fucking leopard stuffed animal at you and claw me. Damn.
I'm trying to protect my friend. I didn't claw you, I just squeezed really hard.
It didn't even hurt you, you just got upset because it was soft and wet.
You put it on me! What do you do with it?
Looks like you ruined my meal.
Someone can run over now.
I'll kill your parents.
Look what he did. Wait!
He's getting mad now.
Look at he's like...
Is your boob okay?
Stop!
Stop! Can't throw it, can you?
I was talking to...
Let's go find that leopard. Did you put it next to a car tire? Where did you put it?
Don't have any damn milk. It's left because I was talking about you because he's for freaking stuff. No!
I think I found it.
So someone can run over it.
It's right there.
Poor little teddy bear.
Is this recording?
Yeah. It's only been 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Is that her
What do you mean?
fan?
Dog.